Welcome to the phase 2 or part 2 human reproduction, which starts with the concept of fertilization. Fertilization simply means the fusion of the gametic pronuclei, which involves later several phases such as capacitation. The term capacitation means acquiring the capacity to fertilize an ovum. That means after getting competence, the sperms are definitely requiring some certain capacities to remove the decapacitation factors on the surface of the ovum to get it ready for fertilization. So whenever fertilization starts, capacitation begins, it is immediately followed by acrosome reaction, which is a very vital process for the sperm to enter the ovum. Several reactions starts, but out of that, acrosome reaction is the pioneer of all. During the acrosome reaction, the sperm head is here to penetrate the ovum membranes. Several important hydrolytic enzymes are secreted from proacrosomal granules, and these proacrosomal granules are nothing but some forms of secondary lysosomes. They used to secrete several types of hydrolytic enzymes such as hyaluronidase, acrosin, and even a very important enzyme called sperm lysine. They all act to make a positive secretion on the membrane. Later, a fertilization tube is established through which the sperm nucleus moves inside the ovum, facilitating the amphimixis or the union of the two nuclei. At the same time, this ovum is getting impermeable to the other entry of sperm, so that there is a chance for a definite important event. We call it block 2 polyspermy. So whenever this very important composition is there, the very important event starts, that is fertilizing anti-fertilizing reaction. So what is the very important event here? Fertilizing is a secretory product coming out from the membrane of the ovum, counteracted by anti-fertilizing, which is being secreted by the sperm. So there is a matching or compatibility between fertilizing and anti-fertilizing, which supports fertilization. So immediate when the fertilization is over, the zygote is being formed. Zygote gradually become transformed to morula. Then it is proceeding towards blastula. Then it is proceeding towards gastrula. And later, organogenesis starts to complete the gradual development of the entire human baby within the mother's tract, followed by a very important development, that is placenta. As soon as the development of the fetus starts, it starts with the concept of intrauterine gestation. During this period of pregnancy, the baby completely supports its birth within uterine endometrium. So this is the maternal part and this is the fetal part supporting the birth of the baby through this placental connection. So placenta is definitely a type of hemoendochorial one which is acting as a temporary endocrine gland, at the same time a blood-linked barrier between the mother's tissue and the fetal tissue. Thank you very much. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.